Let's fill out the Wisconsin Dirt Bike Bill of Sale together, and do it in a way that holds up when it's time to register the dirt bike and transfer the title. Start at the top with the date of sale, then the seller's details. In our example, that's Anna Baker, with her address, phone, and email. Then the buyers, Ben Carter, with the same. 2 quick habits. Enter each name exactly as it appears on that person's ID and on the title. A nickname or a typo can stall the transfer later. And don't leave a line blank. If something doesn't apply, write NA. Next, describe the dirt bike, the make and model, the year, and the color. Then the VIN. Type the VIN exactly as it appears on the title or the dirt bike. A single wrong character can hold up the transfer. Then the odometer reading. Write the exact number, not a rounded guess. Now the purchase date and the sale price, in our example, $8,500, paid all at once, by check, with taxes included. Write the real price. Lowballing it to shave the sales tax can come back as back taxes and penalties, and it leaves the buyer with weaker proof of what they actually paid. Now the signatures. The seller and the buyer each print their name, sign, and date. This form also has witness lines and a notary block. Use them only if your state requires it, or add a witness for extra proof. Then make 2 copies. Each side keeps a signed one. When selling a dirt bike in this state, here is what you need to know to get the paperwork right. First, the seller needs to sign and date the title in the area provided for the selling owner or owners if there are more than one. Both the buyer and the seller will need to sign the bill of sale as well, so make sure everyone is present or can sign before the deal is done. You will need to include the buyer's full name, address, and telephone number on the document. The vehicle identification number, or VIN, must also be listed, so double-check that carefully. The selling price needs to be recorded, so write down exactly what was agreed upon. You will also need to include the odometer reading at the time of the sale. Remember, this is general information, not legal or tax advice.